Joyce, this was Congresswoman Randall's third visit since April here to the ICE facility in Tacoma. She says the number of detainees has more than doubled since the end of last year and says it's important to provide oversight.
I think it's important to remember that all of us are human beings living in this country.
Inside the Northwest ICE processing facility, a growing number of people are being held. Right now, there are 1,562 people inside. Randall said capacity is 1,575. Democratic Congresswoman Emily Randall visited the facility Friday. She said there was around a 25% vacancy among medical staff.
We did talk to two detainees while we were there, both who expressed real concerns with the quality and availability of medical care that they were able to receive.
Another concern they shared was inconsistent and late meals. Randall also learned each detainee only gets 4 pairs of underwear per week, while laundry is once per week.
I asked a few of the staff members touring if they change their underwear every day, because I think, it's easy to dehumanize someone here, and that feels like what's happening.
The King 5 investigators first reported Thursday there were 7 suspected cases of tuberculosis at the facility. Randall asked staff about that.
They said they didn't have any active cases, so we're going to keep digging into this.
After the Trump administration is more terrible.
The group La Resistencia has been advocating for people inside the facility for more than 10 years. They're concerned with the suspected TB cases and conditions inside.
We are people, we don't are animals.
Both their organization and leaders with groups like Global Rights Advocacy are calling on more leaders to visit the facility.
If more politicians comes often like her, maybe we can do something.
This place should not be in this state, should not be here, and they need to know what is going on.
I think it's imperative that we keep watch, we keep speaking the truth, and we keep pushing back.
Randall said she plans to do more scheduled and unannounced visits to the facility here in Tacoma, and she urges other leaders to visit ICE facilities across the country. In Tacoma, Connor Board, King 5 News.